So hey guys, what's up? We have been hearing rumors about Samsung working on various foldable displays, and now the company has officially given us a glimpse of the kind of devices that we can expect from them in the future. Starting with the S Foldable, a tri-folding device that we have talked about previously on the channel, and you can see how similar it looks to the Z Fold 2 but with 3 foldable screens. Samsung also shows how easy it would be to multitask on such a wide display with Instagram, video and music playing on the 3 screens at the same time. It will be able to fold 3 times to be more pocketable with 2 hinges similar to the Z Fold 2. When folded twice, the device can be used as a smartphone, and when it's unfolded, it reaches a maximum size of 7.2 inches, reaching more towards the tablet category. The device is similar to what we have seen before in renders and patents, so we can expect to see something like this in the future. Next up, we have the under-panel camera that Samsung has showcased on a 17-inch foldable laptop. They have teased the under-panel camera on laptops before as well, and we are even hearing rumors to see it on the Z Fold 3. So this may be something that we can see in consumer devices very soon. What's even cooler is a 17-inch foldable laptop that is really all display on the front. There's no keyboard or trackpad like a traditional laptop, but the display extends all the way to the bottom with minimal bezels. You can see how cool it looks compared to a traditional laptop in the video itself. Then we have the slidable display. Now even this is something that we have seen prototypes and renders of before. There's a slidable display that just extends from the main display, increasing the display real estate without any folds or creases. It looks like a normal smartphone without the slidable display, but gives you the ability to have a bigger display when needed. Last but not the least, we have something that they call a portable display. It appears that this will just be a display that you can project to or share anything from other Galaxy devices. Also, these new Samsung displays will emit less blue light compared to conventional displays. Now the video does give us a hint of the company's foldable display strategy, but it doesn't indicate how far away these innovations are from consumer grade products. That being said, it doesn't mean that these solutions, from the triple foldable smartphone to the craziest looking laptop we have seen in a while, won't be hitting the store shelves in the near future. It just means that we can't predict when we can get our hands on them. The slidable display in particular looks just like what a Galaxy Note fan would want to see on the next Note smartphone. So that's it for this video. The video has got me really excited about the future of Samsung products. So do tell me what do you think about it down in the comments section. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos and smash the like button if you like this one. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.